There are a number of visual models that can help represent ratios. These visual models can sometimes help you solve problems involving ratios. In this video, we'll look at some examples. In a collection of coins, the ratio of quarters to dimes is 2 to 1. If there are 15 coins in all, how many dimes are there? We know that the ratio of quarters to dimes is 2 to 1. Here is an example where you can use the coins themselves to model the situation. Like this. Take groups of quarters and dimes that are in the ratio 2 to 1, so sets of 3 coins. Then keep adding sets of coins until you get to 15 coins. Here we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15 coins. So this is the full set of coins in the proper ratio. Count the dimes to find the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dimes. But you might not have a collection of just the right set of coins to model this type of problem. Instead, you can use a different visual model. Use what's called a tape diagram. Here we see a tape diagram modeling 2 to 1, with the shaded area representing quarters and the other area representing dimes. You can even label them with letters like this. To solve the problem, draw a number of tape diagrams to model 15 coins. As we saw with the coin modeling example, we can generate sets of 3 coins. Here we have 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. So this is the full set of coins in the proper ratio. Count the number of dimes to find the answer. There are 5 dimes. Let's look at another example and another type of visual model. To get a particular shade of purple, an artist combines 3 parts blue to 5 parts red. How many tubes of paint are needed to use 15 tubes of red? The ratio of blue to red is 3 to 5. You can use snap cubes to create the 3 to 5 model, like this. There are a total of 8 cubes in this 3 to 5 ratio. Add groups of these until you get 15 tubes of red, like this. There are 3 groups of 5 reds. That gets us to 15. And the total number of tubes needed is the total number of snap cubes, which is 3 times 8, or 24. Let's look at one more example. A recipe calls for 1 part flour, 2 parts sugar, and 3 parts milk. How many total cups of ingredients are needed if 9 cups of milk are used? So this is a 3-item ratio. 1 to 2 to 3. For flour, sugar, and milk. To model it visually, you can use grid paper like this. Mark out a 1 to 2 to 3 set of adjacent squares, 1 for flour, 1 for sugar, and 1 for milk, like this. There are 3 cups of milk and a total of 6 cups. Draw additional groups of these sets until you get to 9 cups of milk, like this. At 9 cups, there are 3 sets for a total of 18 cups.